Hello guys, what's up? I hope you are very well and welcome to our new video. Today I unboxing Timex brand watch and I shall give you some information about this watch. So watch this video full without any skip. Let's continue without waste time. Let's go started. I am going to unbox a Timex brand watch in front of you. I brought this watch in black and silver combinations. If you want, I shall give you review on this watch in 5 steps. It is water resistant watch and it is up to 30 meter long. Its display type is analog. It is water resistant. Its style code TW0TG7802. This is a wristwatch. It is not shock resistant. Its strap color is silver. Its strap type bezel. Its power source is battery. Its case material is brass. Its clutch type is self-adjust. Its diameter is black. Watch's height is 20 millimeter and the watch's thickness is 10.35 mm. Its diameter is 43 mm. Its weight is 200 gram. Here is the logo Timex. And behind here is Timex logo. Company give a information book in this box. Here is presents the watch price 1549, but I bought this watch only 1519. Its domestic warranty is 1 year or 12 months.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky.
If you like this video, don't forget like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.